Luxury cars are often seen as symbols of success and prestige. The allure of sleek designs, powerful engines, and advanced features can make them seem like the perfect investment. But before you decide to splurge on one of these high-end vehicles, it's important to consider the hidden costs that come with them. While these cars may offer incredible performance and comfort, they can also be plagued with reliability issues that could leave you stranded, or at the very least, drain your wallet. Here are luxury cars that, despite their appeal, might not be the best choice for anyone looking for a hassle-free driving experience. Number 10. BMW E90 335i, 2006 to 2012. The BMW 335i offers a thrilling driving experience with its turbocharged engine, but it comes with significant mechanical issues. The fuel system, which includes multiple pumps and high-pressure direct injection, is prone to failures that can trigger a cascade of problems. Common issues include fuel pump and injector failures, as well as ECM problems, all of which can cause the engine to run lean and potentially fail. The 335i is also notorious for oil leaks from the valve cover gaskets, oil cooler seals, and oil filter housing. Additionally, the complex cooling system and potential turbocharger failures can lead to costly repairs. While enthusiasts are drawn to its tunability, owning an E90 335i requires a hefty budget for maintenance or mechanical expertise. Number 9. Tesla Model S, 2012 present. The Tesla Model has redefined the electric car market with its performance and advanced technology. However, it comes with its own set of reliability issues. Electric motors require complex wiring and cooling systems, and failures in the cooling system, especially around the battery, can lead to expensive repairs. Older Model S cars are also known for problems with the large infotainment screen, which controls nearly every function. When this screen malfunctions, it can affect critical features like climate control and navigation, often requiring costly replacements. While the Model S offers cutting-edge tech, its reliability issues make it a costly investment if you're not ready for frequent expensive repairs. Number 8. Audi S4, 2009 to 2016. The Audi S4 offers a great mix of luxury, performance, and practicality, but it comes with its own set of issues that can be expensive to fix. One of the most common problems with the S4 is its supercharged V6 engine. Over time, the supercharger can develop leaks, which can affect engine performance and lead to costly repairs. The S4 is also known for its cooling system failures. The water pump and thermostat housing can wear out, leading to overheating and potential engine damage. Additionally, the car's dual-clutch transmission, known as the S-Tronic, can develop issues, especially as the car ages. Repairing or replacing the S-Tronic transmission can cost a small fortune, making this car a costly one to maintain in the long term. While the Audi S4 is a well-engineered vehicle, it's essential to be aware of the ongoing maintenance costs and potential for costly mechanical failures, especially if you're looking to buy a used model. Number 7. Land Rover Range Rover, 2010 present. Land Rover is famous for its luxury SUVs, and the Range Rover is often seen as the epitome of off-road opulence. However, owning a Range Rover comes with the risk of dealing with frequent electrical and mechanical problems. These vehicles are notorious for their air suspension issues, which can fail and cause the car to sag. Fixing the air suspension is a complex and expensive repair, and without it, the ride quality will be severely compromised. Another major issue with the Range Rover is the cooling system, which can develop leaks and lead to engine overheating. Additionally, the car's electrical system, including the infotainment and dashboard displays, can suffer from malfunctions. Regular maintenance and repairs are often required to keep a Range Rover running smoothly, so be prepared for potential breakdowns and high repair costs. Number 6. Mercedes-Benz S-Class, 2007 to 2014. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class is one of the most luxurious cars on the market, offering a blend of advanced technology and supreme comfort. But owning an S-Class can be a financial burden due to its potential mechanical issues. The air suspension system, which is responsible for providing a smooth ride, is prone to failure and can be incredibly expensive to replace. Additionally, many S-Class models suffer from electrical issues, particularly with the infotainment system. The command system, which controls the car's entertainment and navigation features, can become unresponsive or malfunction, often requiring a costly replacement or repair. While the S-Class is a masterpiece of engineering, its maintenance costs can make it a difficult car to own in the long term. Number 5. Porsche 911, 2005 to 2012. The Porsche 911 is often considered one of the best sports cars ever made, but it isn't immune to issues. One of the most significant problems with older 911 models is the intermediate shaft bearing, which can fail and cause catastrophic engine damage. Replacing the intermediate shaft bearing is a costly procedure, and if it fails, it could result in the need for an entirely new engine. Additionally, the Porsche 911 is known for having expensive suspension components, and over time, the suspension can wear out, leading to costly repairs. While the 911 is a high-performance car, it comes with high maintenance costs, so if you're considering one, be sure you're ready to handle the potential expenses that come with it. Number 4. Jaguar XJ, 2003 to 2019. The Jaguar XJ is a luxury sedan with a sophisticated design and high-performance capabilities. However, it suffers from several reliability issues that can lead to expensive repairs. One of the most common problems is related to the electrical system. The XJ is known for having a variety of electrical gremlins, including issues with the car's wiring, sensors, and infotainment system. The suspension system is also prone to wear and tear, and air suspension failures are a common issue. Additionally, the XJ has been known to suffer from transmission problems, which can be costly to fix. While the Jaguar XJ is a beautiful car with a refined driving experience, its reliability issues make it a risky investment. Number 3. Maserati Quattroporte, 2004 present. The Maserati Quattroporte combines Italian luxury with a powerful V8 engine, but it comes with a hefty price tag in terms of repairs. One of the major issues with the Quattroporte is its transmission, which is known to fail and can be very expensive to replace. The car's suspension system also tends to wear out quickly, especially on older models, leading to costly repairs. Additionally, the Quattroporte has been reported to have problems with its electrical system, including faulty sensors and malfunctioning electronics. While the Quattroporte offers thrilling performance, its reliability issues make it a challenging car to own unless you have deep pockets for repairs. Number 2. Cadillac DeVille, 1995 to 2005. The Cadillac DeVille, particularly models with the Northstar V8 engine, is known for serious reliability issues. The Northstar engine is notorious for head gasket failures, excessive oil consumption, and overheating. These problems can cause severe engine damage and costly repairs. Additionally, the DeVille suffers from electrical issues like faulty power window regulators and climate control problems. The wires in the steering column can also break, triggering the anti-theft alarm. While the DeVille offers a comfortable ride, its reliability issues make it a risky choice, and repairs can quickly outweigh the car's value. Number 1. Volkswagen Phaeton, 2002 to 2006. The Volkswagen Phaeton was an ambitious luxury sedan with a W12 engine and advanced features. However, its complexity led to significant reliability concerns. The electrical system, essential for many of the car's features, is prone to failure, leaving many Phaetons without their original functions, such as the automatic trunk lid or adjustable lumbar support. The W12 and W8 engines, while powerful, are also unreliable, with repairs being both complicated and costly. Despite its groundbreaking design, the Phaeton's high repair costs make it a challenging vehicle to own. That's all. If you're considering one of these luxury cars, it's important to weigh the potential repair costs before making a decision. While they offer incredible performance and comfort, their reliability issues can quickly turn into a financial nightmare. So whether you choose to admire them from a distance or are prepared to handle the maintenance, make sure you're fully informed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.